does come back on for more people. We just showed you the OPPD map. This is, of course, after last week's winter storm. Some are turning their attention to other aspects of recovery, like refilling those pantries.
Yeah, some families had to toss everything. I mean, we're going on 6 days without power for some now. First Alert 6's Philip Catafimo spoke to a Council Bluffs mom out shopping for her family, and he's live in the newsroom. Philip?
Brian and Jacqueline, Cheyenne Dominguez says she lost power during the blizzard. Crews turned it back on the following morning, and while she felt relief, she tells me she still had to throw away hundreds of dollars worth of food. Now, Cheyenne says she checked in with every pantry around town to recover some of what she lost. To get through the weekend, she stayed with her sister in Glenwood. I caught up with her today at Open Door Mission location in Council Bluffs, where she had an appointment to replace some of the stuff she needed.
I'm blessed. If it wasn't for pantries here in town, I probably would be struggling.
Now, Open Door Mission says it also lost power during the storm, and coming up tonight at 6:30, how they say that's impacted their services as they see more people coming in. In the newsroom, I'm Philip Catafimo, First Alert 6. Back to you, Jacqueline.
Yeah, Philip, I can only imagine. Thank you. We'll stay tuned for